semester and I want to share my experience over here. The teachers here have been so good and cooperative, and they are very friendly, and they help us a lot in developing our critical thinking, and we have got multiple perspectives towards everything. And apart from that, I have developed interest in most of the subjects over here, and I have gained a lot of skills, and they have furnished in college our skills. And I got some really good friends over here, and the environment over here is very good, and the teachers give you individual attention. That is the best part of the university, and definitely I'm going to miss these days. Thank you so much.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Samana Zaidi from BS 8th semester NUML Karachi campus, and BS is passing out from NUML as the first batch of BS English. So far my experience has been one of its own kind, because when I came here I believe that I was not so much furnished, and now experiences over here has groomed me enough to be part of a very professional organization, and wherever I go I believe that I will be adding so much means to any institute wherever I go, and I will make most of it.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Meher Arif from BS final semester from National University of Modern Languages Karachi campus. So today I'm going to give you a review about my university, and so far I am here from 4 years and I'm having a great time over here. Nowadays I'm having my final exams, and I'm really excited to pass out from the university, but I will really miss this university because this university has given me some beautiful memories. It has totally enhanced my way of speaking, my way of dealing with people, my way of thinking, and the way how I am in front of you guys. And moreover, this university is not like the other universities, because NUML is not having 50 to 60 students in one class, but they are having quality of students, and we get individual attention from our teachers. Whenever you want any kind of help from your teachers, our teachers are always there for us. And moreover, I would like to say that I had some problem with hesitations, and I was lacking confidence, but NUML has built up my confidence, and it has given me a chance to prove myself. And I was interested in English linguistics, but my few teachers have made me to love literature as well. And if you really want to get a quality of education, I would recommend you to come over here at NUML Karachi campus. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Khan. I am from BS Honours 8th semester in NUML Karachi campus, and I would like to share my experience over here. I am basically in the fourth year, and I would say that my experience over here is very much, you can say, is very good, and I have learned a lot from this place. I am very much owed to this institute, and I would like to thank everyone, and the staff and the teachers and the students who are here, who are really much cooperative. I would like to thank all of them.